Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. So back on my own roof again today. Tiling wise, things haven't progressed at all since the last video. But tomorrow there's going to be me and two roof tilers up here, and I'm hoping between us we should be able to get most of this front section in. It might be wishful thinking on my part, I really don't know, but it'd be nice to be able to get rid of this black sheet, get some more weight on the roof and feel like things are more in the dry. But for today's video, what we're going to be doing is start getting the lead around this dormer. Okay, so let's have a little look at this. The first thing I'm going to do is remove this batten and fix this sheet up higher. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel back this layer of felt. So what I'll be able to do, once the lead's nailed on there, is fold that back over the lead upstand to keep things weathered for now. So we'll get all that done, we'll get a bench set up, and then we can start setting everything out. Okay, as you can see, I've got everything set up now. What I've done is I've divided this into 3 equal sections. So now everything's set out, I'm ready to go. Let's start getting some of this lead apron knocked up. Okay, I've got a piece of lead here cut to size. I'm just dressing it flat at the moment. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the original audio because it was so windy. You couldn't hear anything. So I'm just measuring this piece of lead just to make sure I've got the right section. Now I'm marking 200mm for the wing. Now I'm measuring 180mm for the upstand. Now I want 200mm coming down the tiles, so I'm just going to cut the remainder off. I'm just marking the angle with a bevel. Now let's knock up that upstand. And fold the ear round. Just set that in a little bit. We're now ready to weld the gusset in. Okay, that's that gusset welded in there now. So now that's all welded in, what I'm going to do now is repeat the process, knock up the next 2 pieces of lead, then we can start getting it fitted. Okay, that's all the lead knocked up now. I've just oiled it on the underside and it's just drying in the sun. So now that's all done, let's start getting it fitted. Okay, now that's all in, what I can do now is trim this front edge where it comes down the tiles. Trim all these clips to 50mm, leaving a 5mm expansion joint. And I usually like to round off the corners too. So we'll get all that done and give it a coat of patination oil. Okay, that's everything trimmed up now. Just giving it a coat of patination oil too. So now that's done, it's ready for the tiles and soakers to go up the sides. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it 2 tiles out all the way up. Once I've done that, I'm going to put a cover flash in over the soakers, then it's ready for the next stage. So I've got a load of soakers knocked up. They've been oiled on both sides and I've just been letting them dry in the sun. So now they're all nice and dry, what I'm going to do now is work my way up the sides of the dormer cheeks. Okay, that's all the soakers in there now, on both sides. What I was going to do next was get the cover flashings in, but I think I'm actually going to leave that for the time being until I'm ready to reply the cheeks, because I don't want to put the cover flashings in and now through the felt if it's going to be a while before I'm going to do the next stage. So I think I'm going to wrap this video up here. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at slbleadworks. For inquiries you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.